How to get $50 Frontier Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Frontier coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. Just scroll down and check out the offers. You can see that 75% off, $30 off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab, just click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on Redeem at Frontier Airlines. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, book your flight or vacations, and then proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can try this one website as well. Simply codes, as in this website as well, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. So this way you can easily get up to $50 working coupon code for Frontier Airlines. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.